My name is Dr. Vibha Dubey. I am pediatrician in SKG Hospital and visiting consultant in IIT Jodhpur and HPCL Pachpadra. In this video, I will be discussing about the obesity in children. Obesity is a condition in which the child is significantly overweight in comparison to his age. Best way to determine about obesity is calculation of body mass index of the child. Body mass index or BMI. Body mass index is weight in kg divided by height in meter square. If BMI is more than 85, child is overweight. If BMI is more than 95, child is obese. Coming to what are the causes of obesity. First, foremost, the most important cause of obesity is wrong dietary habits. Children of millennium are addicted to fast food. Fast food are high in salt, sugar and refined flour, making it very tasty. And the company who sell fast food, they make it more attractive by adding various colors. They give beautiful advertisement about the food. They also give more attraction like giving gifts like toys and all. So if the choice is left to the child, he will always prefer fast food over healthy food. These days, family size is small and children are very precious, making them often the decision makers. Second important cause is increase in portion of the food. If the child is eating healthy food, but the portion size is very big, that can also make him obese. Third cause is increase in social time or time spent in TV. So you can say, what is the relation of watching TV or social media with obesity? When the child is spending time on social media, generally what happens that the child keeps on munching on snacks, and snacks are generally fast food. It also steals the time for exercise. So child gets less time for exercise. Next is top-fed children. Generally it is seen that children who are breastfed are lean compared to children who are top-fed. Next is lack of nutritional education in school or at home. Children are not educated about nutritional diet in school or at home. In home, effort should be made to make the diet more palatable and more attractive to the eyes so that it attracts the child. Next is lack of nutritional guidance in clinics. When the child visits the pediatric clinic, the importance is given to treating the diseases or giving vaccination to the child, and nutritional guidance takes a back seat. Whenever the child visits the pediatric clinic, every time weight should be monitored on the growth chart. If the weight is normal, it's okay, but if the weight is less or more than the desired, in that case nutritional guidance should be given. One of the cultural problem is that chubby child is considered beautiful, and child often compare their children with the children in the vicinity. Parents should be counseled that it is more important to have a healthy child, and the weight of the child should be appropriate to the age, and child should not be chubby. Another cause is high stress level. If the child is suffering from high stress due to various conditions, then in that case that leads to increased consumption of the food. Parents can also have the same kind of traits. Another cause can be genetics. One or other of the parents can be obese, and that child might inherit obesity. But it is a very less common cause, and it is less than 5%. Generally what happens is that the children share the same environment with the parents, and same type of food is consumed by the whole family, leading to the problem of obesity in the whole family. Certain diseases can also lead to obesity that are generally hormonal diseases like polycystic ovary disease, hypothyroidism and Cushing's disease. Child can be on various drugs like steroids, lithium, amitriptyline, prozactin, gabapentin and propranolol. These children can also develop obese. Effort should be made to exclude such conditions. Now coming to what are the complications of obesity. If the child is obese, he is likely to suffer from many diseases which are common in adults like cardiovascular diseases, breathing problem, diabetes, hypertension, diseases of the joints. He can suffer from bullying from his friends, and that can lead to anxiety or depression. Now coming to how we will manage this condition. I always say that prevention is always better than cure. This applied to this condition also. Nutritional education should become an important part of the curriculum and should be stressed in school. Exercise should be an important part of curriculum, and I think one period should be fixed for exercise generally in the morning every day, so that the child does the exercise in school and learns about the benefit of exercise also. When the child is born, growth chart should be given to every child. When the child visits pediatric clinic, the weight of the child should be charted on the growth chart, or whenever there is deviation from normal routine, either it is more or less, dietary advice should be given to the parents. Parents should be counseled that chubby child might look beautiful, but it is not always healthy to have a very chubby child, and it is important to have the child appropriate for age. If the parents come with the obese child and they want to take consultation for obesity, first of all, height and weight should be taken and BMI should be calculated. After that, it is very important to inquire about the routine of the child and whole family as well. The routine should include time to get up, exercise, yoga or meditation, and time spent on TV or social media, and the quality of food the whole family is consuming. Whole family should be counseled about the healthy diet, less use of sugar or refined flour or salt, and more use of fruits and vegetables in diet. Importance should be given to eating food together as a family, having a fixed time for eating meals, and not watching TV or using social media while having meal. Importance should be given to not munching anything, snacks in between the meal time. It will be very good if the whole family can get up together early and keep aside time for exercise and yoga. Homemade food should be preferred over purchased food. It is okay if the child is not initially not reluctant to take homemade food. Keep on giving him food, offering him food frequently, and then he will start accepting that food also. It is bad idea to give candy for any good behavior. It should be changed with some other item and non-food item instead of candy. Realistic goals should be set, and it's okay if the child stops losing weight initially. With time, the lifestyle becomes part of the family, and becomes very easy to maintain a healthy weight after that. Whole family should adopt the same lifestyle and have a healthy diet. BMI should be charted every 6 months on a graph. If weight loss at home becomes frustrating, enroll the child in some weight loss program with a good professional, and always choose the professional very carefully. So I have told you everything how to manage obesity as far as I knew, and I think if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.